Okay, for this pho noodles recipe, all you're gonna need is pho noodles, of course, sugar, steak, lime, colored sweet peppers, black pepper, cloves, ground ginger, green onion, beef broth, and fish sauce. This is gonna be the most beautiful Vietnamese dish. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, we're gonna start off with putting our pho in warm water. We're gonna allow this to get soft for 20 minutes, and we're gonna put this to the side. Now, we're gonna start with our vegetables, family, and we're gonna dice our green onions. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping up our sweet peppers. You can use jalapenos if you want. I did not want mine to be hot this time. Now, we're gonna go ahead and slice up our lime. We're gonna move over to our onion, and we're gonna cut one half of the onion into half circles, and we're gonna cut the other half into quarters, family. And there you have it, your vegetables. Now, we're gonna move over to our steak, family. At this time, we're gonna cut little slices out of it. Before you do that, you wanna put it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes for it to get stiff so that you can cut slices like this, family. And there you have it. Give me a like. Now let's move over to our broth, family. We're gonna add 2 cups of beef broth, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're gonna add in our onion quarters, family. We're gonna bring this to a boil. After a boil, family, we're gonna go ahead and put in a tea satchel of cloves and give that a nice mix. And before we assemble our pho, quick facts. Where was pho originated? Pho originated in the early 20th century in northern Vietnam and was popularized throughout the world by refugees after the Vietnam War. Because pho's origins are poorly documented, there is disagreement over the cultural influences that led to its development in Vietnam, as well as the etymology of its name. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Yes, family. Now at this time, you're gonna add in your drained pho into your bowl. Now we're gonna add our garnish, our onions. And as you see here, we're adding in our raw beef. And to be sure that the beef broth is so hot, it will cook your raw beef, family. Take a look. Yes. We're gonna add a little bit more beef broth, family, to finish cooking our beef. Now we're gonna add more garnish, add our onions, now our sweet peppers, and a dash of lime. And do not forget your sriracha as a dip. And there we have it, family. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure. Peace.